Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hidayat bin Ismail. Today I would like to present my final project. So my final project require us to make a tic-tac-toe games. So basically in this coding I have 5 function: print board function, make move function, check for type function, check result function, and the last one is a main function. So for print board function, the function that receive a list and print the current status of board. So this function only for print the board. Okay, in this function I have put a string, and each strings represent the value, this value. So for the first string represent the value is 0. Second 1, and the third is 2. Same goes to this row and this row. So next we move to my second function, which is make move function. So function make move that receive that player names, player symbol, and board list. In true condition, this is for take move from user. So the user need to insert an integer number from 0 to 8 to represent the to place the X or O symbols. So validate the move to check if it is in range. So if the player insert a number below than 0 or more than 8, then it will show invalid numbers. Please enter valid number between 0 and 8, and it will ask again to insert a valid number below between 0 to 8. So this for if the place X or 0 in the place that has symbol. So if the player insert a symbol in the board that actually for example player 1 has put X symbol in this space, then player 2 also want to put the symbol in this space. So the second player cannot insert the number, and it will show the place already taken, and it will ask for player to enter the number again to represent their symbols. So this is for assign the symbol at a given position. So function check for tie, it will check every position of the board. If all the position is taken by X or O, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So this is the number list that this is the number list. So for a number enter in board, if number enter in num list, return false. So then it will return true. This means if the number enter if the number enter is in the num list, which means the player required to enter number from 0 to 8 to represent their symbols, which is every space in this board. So if the both player has put their numbers to represent their symbols in this board, and no one wins, then it will the function this is for the game is tie. The game is tie because all the number has been entered to this board. So the number enter is in the number list. So let's move to the next function. This function check whether there has same symbols horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. It will check all the rows, columns, diagonal. If one of it have winning combination, then it will return W. So this will check the first row. The first row, this 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, and 2. If there is a same symbol, the same symbol in 0, 1, and 2, then it will return W. Same goes to the second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, diagonal from left to right, and diagonal from right to left. And this for check for the tie. If it's tie, then return T. So when a player insert a number, it will check the result. So if all the number has entered, so the number entered is in this number list, it will return T. So otherwise it will return C for continue. So let's go to my main function. So this for taking player name and its symbols. So player 1 needs to input their name and choose the symbols. Then this for caps lock, this for get the number enter uppercase. What we call uppercase? Yeah, uppercase. Then player 2 need to input their name. So player 1 select the symbol and player 2 will automatically selected the other symbol. So if player 1 insert X symbols, then player 2 will automatically selected the O symbols. So game continue in true condition. So while game continue, it will initialize the board. So then it will print the board, initialize the board. It will show the it will show for it will show a number in the board for like this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 because we have initialized the board. So this will represent the space in the board. Then it will print the board in while true. Then this string the value is player 1, which means the player 1 input their name, so the name will go to this. The name will go into this what we call the string. Then call the make move function for the first player. Then print the board. After player move, the result after the player move, then it will check for status by calling check result function. Sorry for my typing error. So result equal to check result. So every time player move, then it will show the program will check the result. So if result is W, then player 1 won and break. So this means if the result is W in this check result function, if it returns the value of W, then it will print the player 1 won, then it will break. After it break, it will go to this function, this line, if player want to play again. So if the result tie, then print message. So if the result is T in this, so check for tie board, so return T. If the number enter is in this number list, it will return T. So if the result equal to T, then it will show it's a tie. So for the first player, and same for the second player. So next line, play again. It will show do you want to play again, then the player need to enter either want to play again. If the player want to play again, enter Y, and if the player does not want to play again, enter N. So if the input equals to N, it will show thanks for playing, then breaks. If the input is Y, it will go again to this main function. So I think that's all for my presentation. I hope you like it, and thank you. Assalamualaikum.